Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a blowing technique, Dutch pour. So I have my base paint down, and it's going to be this is a gray color house paint that I'm using. It's very light gray, mixed with some floetrol. Good. Take my heat gun and get the bubbles out. All right, so this is a brilliant magenta mixed with some amethyst dazzling metallic, which is this. And then I have some silver, and I have some cobalt blue mixed with white, just to make a lighter blue. And the consistency is, there's no puddle. You need it pretty runny to run over this paint. So, just checking this. I'm going to add some more water to this one. Of course, I'm out of water. All right. I think it's fine. I have a spray bottle I could spray in there. All right. So what you do, if you've never seen a Dutch pour or blowing technique before, you pour down some puddles of color. So around here I'm going to pour some gray. Then I'm going to pour the blue. Then I'm going to pour the brilliant magenta and the purple. You can spread it around if you want. You can pour it in one puddle. And then I got the dark color. This might be a little too much paint. So then anyway, you take your light color that you've watered down pretty good, and you pour it around. Because you're going to blow this over. And I don't have it on a hot setting, just a medium or cool. Blow it one way. Blow it the other way. Turn it back, and then blow. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. That's awesome. I wanted some more back down there. Oh, I lost a I'm gonna leave it because I love it. I'm gonna hold it up for you. Awesome, awesome colors. I just gotta get this leveled now. I lost one of my things out of here. All right, thanks for coming by for this beauty. I'll put the dried results at the end. Thanks for coming by and join my Facebook group on Facebook. There's a link in the description below. My sisters and myself made a Facebook group. And hit the bell for notifications. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me what you think. All right, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. So here's my dried results of my blowing Dutch pour. The white has taken over. It dried nice and smooth. The white cells just expanded. Not sure why that happened, but holy moly, maybe too much white paint in there. So I'm not happy with that big one there, but the others are okay. It just kind of changed the whole effect of my blowing technique. Dutch pour. Anyway, here we go. That's it. That's what happened. Anyway, thanks for coming by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.